Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some Turkish delight. Put some water in a pot and then sprinkle some gelatin powder on top. Stir it together and then put this to one side for about 10 minutes until the gelatin has bloomed. Put this on a low heat and gently melt the gelatin. When it's melted, add in the sugar and citric acid. Stir this until the sugar has dissolved. Increase the heat to medium heat and then boil for about 20 minutes or until it turns into a syrup. Remove the pot from the heat and then let the bubbles settle and then remove any excess bubbles on top if necessary. Leave the mixture until it is thick and cool and almost set. It will take about 20 minutes and then add some pink food coloring and rose water and stir it in. Pour it into a prepared cake tin and cover it and leave it until set. It can take a few hours or you can do it overnight. When it's set, make some sherbet to cover the Turkish delight. I'm mixing some icing sugar, bicarbonate of soda and citric acid together. Sprinkle about half of the sherbet mixture onto the greaseproof paper and then turn your Turkish delight on top of the sherbet and peel off the paper. Add the rest of the sherbet on top and then cut this into pieces. Cover the cut pieces in sherbet so that they don't stick to each other. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.